My name is Taj. I've been working with SKF for about a little over 3 months, and I'm an application engineer here. I always loved math and science growing up. My grandfather acquired a disease in his foot that spread up his leg, and he had to have an emergency amputation. So once that happened and he, of course, got his prosthetic leg, I was like enamored with it. I did my senior design project on prosthetics and really wanted to study engineering in college to help people like him. I like that we get to interface with the customer and kind of being the bridge between the customer, and that wealth of knowledge that we have is pretty special. I was an athlete in college, so I like that team aspect, and that's something that I've found here at SKF with the engineering group. I chose SKF because I wanted to be a part of something bigger than myself, and I also knew that SKF is the best at what they do globally, so I wanted to be a part of keeping that and maintaining that and kind of finding new ways that we can build our brand.